What's up, everybody? So we're gonna go into the Fenney area today. This is the first time I've been around Fenney and done some walking around there. I've been inside the rec center and done some events for MVP Health Club there in terms of sales and things like that. But this is the first time I've actually walked around on the trails and I guess nature walk. If you haven't been around the Fenney area or you're looking, before you look, I would suggest going into the Fenney area and taking a walk around. It seems to be the new way that they're going with all of the new villages. They're kind of keeping some of the local nature around there and things like that. I did take Alexis around and we took a bunch of pictures. She had a lot of fun. I'll put a couple of them up here. But she had a lot of fun, and we saw some people out golfing on Gray Fox or Red Fox, one of them, which is right next to Fenney. It's actually right to the west of Fenney. And then right on the other side of the golf course is the Coleman area, the new Coleman area that they're still working on, which will be connected through that golf course. And they have kind of the roads going out there. You'll get to see some of that. I do have Coleman videos, and they haven't really done a whole lot since I've done those videos. So those Coleman videos are up there if you want to check them out and see, like, because you'll see in this video where exactly Coleman is going, and then if you want to go look at those videos, you can see what the area looks like and how big it really is going to be. So anyway, it's pretty exciting. A lot of nature stuff. I'm going to go on the other side of Fenney by the wood bridges. We kind of went to the north side of the recreation center, and next time I'm going to walk through. Alexis loved it, so if you have kids or grandkids that are coming to the area, I would suggest taking them out there and having them run around and use up some of that energy that they always have. But let's take a look, and yeah. So here we go. This is the north side of Fenney. We're actually going to fly over the recreation center here from the parking lot. You can see the pool and all the buildings. They have the Fenney Grill here, which I think is fantastic. So it's that side building closest to us is the Fenney Grill. And then you have the rec center right there to the left with an outside patio area. I have not seen that in another rec center, so I thought that was kind of cool. A lot of walkways here, wooden bridges, and this is what I was talking about at the end of that beginning portion where you can walk to the south side and then you can walk the water, and they have like a little area that walks right out to the water overlooking it where you can take pictures and all of that sort of stuff. And of course it's surrounded by the whole housing development. So as we turn around and go back to the north here, you're going to be able to see where those walking paths split, that roundabout little area. That's the southern side of the parking lot for Fenney. And then, so we're going north right now, and you can see Red Fox and Gray Fox executive golf courses. Those are 9-hole golf courses, are right there on our left. So that is to the west of the Fenney area. So Fenney has this little pool in the back there for the rec center. It's not a big square Olympic pool like a lot of them have. And then these trails up here is where Alexis and I walked and got our pictures and all that type of thing. That's what Alexis really loved. So what I was saying at the beginning, if you have kids or grandkids, I would advise just taking them on those trails. They'll love it. So this is Red Fox or Gray Fox, I'm not sure. I do have a video on these two executive courses, obviously, and then right up in front of us, all that entire dirt area is the Coleman area. So the Coleman area is just southeast of 301, where 301 comes down and makes that west turn going into the actual city of Coleman, and then it heads back south. But that whole dirt area goes all along 301 basically, except for into the city of Coleman. And then as we go here, you can see in the way background where those towers are, that's where Coleman Prison is, right next to that. That is actually the quarry there where they pull a lot of dirt from and all that type of deal. As we go back over these areas and check out some of these bridges, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and make that happen. It would make me happy. It's going to make you happy. YouTube sometimes doesn't tell you when I post, so if you want to see more, please click on the bell so you get notified when I drop some videos. And as always, I will see you in the next one.